Little Angel Reader. Little Angel Reader.
The Mitten. Written and read aloud by Little Angel Reader for my friend Maria from Stigis. The Mitten. Once there was a boy called Nicky. He wanted mittens as white as snow. "If you drop a mitten in the snow, it will be hard to find," his grandmother told him. But Nicky wanted snow-white mittens so much that Grandma made them for him. When Grandma finished knitting, Nicky put on the mittens and went out to play. The weather was wonderful. It was snowing. Beautiful snowflakes were dancing in the air. Some snowflakes were dancing, some were playing snowballs. Some were chasing one another. Some were jumping up and down. Nicky was skipping happily around, singing a song. "If all the snowflakes were candy bars and milkshakes, oh, what a snow that would be! Standing outside with my mouth open wide, ah, 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 ah. If all the snowflakes were candy bars and milkshakes, oh, what a snow that would be!" He tried to catch some snowflakes. He stuck out his tongue to lick some snowflakes. But the snowflakes didn't want to be licked. They ran away from him and hid behind the fir tree. Soon one mitten fell off. Nicky began to look for it. While he was looking for his snow-white mitten, a little mouse, who was very cold, found it and crawled inside, and was soon warm. The snowflakes saw the little mouse, came out of their hiding place, and did a happy dance. The mouse peeked out of the mitten and scared the snowflakes away. Squeak, squeak, boo! The snowflakes hid behind the fir tree again. Soon a rabbit came hopping by. He saw the mitten and wanted to get inside to get some sleep. So he wiggled in next to the mouse. It made the snowflakes so happy that they danced a wild dance. And then hid behind the fir tree again. Next, a fox came by. He wanted to get warm too. The fox got inside the mitten. The mouse and the rabbit moved over, and soon the fox was warm and snug. Nicky was still looking for his lost snow-white mitten. He looked behind the fir tree and scared the snowflakes. Boo! Meanwhile, a wolf found the mitten. He looked so cold that the mouse, the rabbit, and the fox decided to make some room for him. The little mitten was getting crowded. Sometime later, a big bear came along and sniffed at the mitten. The animals were packed in tight, but the bear didn't care. He crawled in anyway. The mitten was getting bigger and bigger. Suddenly, the mouse's whiskers tickled the bear's nose. "Achoo!" sneezed the bear loudly. All the animals flew out of the mitten. Nicky saw his mitten sail up into the air. From the window, Grandma watched Nicky catch the mitten. "See, Grandma?" he called to her. "I have both my mittens." And Grandma smiled. But neither one of them ever knew what an adventure the mitten had that day. Dear Maria, happy birthday! Thank you for your wonderful Stigis games. A birthday is just the first day of another 365-day journey around the sun. Enjoy the trip! Be happy and healthy.
Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.